Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so someone yesterday messaged me that I am a moron because I on the title was written "Are we in a bear market?" And then he was like, went down more than 50%, and they're still asking for a bear market. Well, it's a title, my friend. Just watch the video, my dear genius. All right, so what did I want to say? Yeah. So lately, I've seen many people questioning if the cycle is broken, because they say we went way, way too down in a short period of time. So let's check it out and compare and just not say crazy stuff. So yes, from the top, we actually went 52.25%. And my friends, we did that in 176 days and 24 hours. And I'm from here, right? Or was it here? You know what? Let me be more generous. Let's say it was here. Makes sense? We had the A overshooting for a B and a C for the A, ABC for the B, and now a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 4 here. Now I can adjust, and all this is the fifth. Now the fifth is a finish. Big question mark. Do we need to go lower? Because into this fifth wave, we can also see perhaps maybe a 1, 2. All this is a third. This is I don't know, maybe a triangle, fourth wave. So if that's the case, this is the A, B, C, D, E, and after that we go and make our fifth wave in blue, which is going to close our C wave in orange. And then maybe perhaps this is just the A wave, which I believe. And so it means we're looking for a B wave high, so it means yes, we are in a bear market. And I don't know where, because I did call it several times, and I was saying on our way up here, I was saying the count is full. We do have 5 waves. We're missing a nano count here. Life doesn't have to be perfect, and I am taking partial profits. So yeah, it's pretty clear that Oh, or this is already the top. Yeah, right. I just moved it around because it was in a way, but this has been put there several weeks ago, actually last year. Okay, so now we managed to say 206 days, and what do we say here? 53.25. Let's go back in time. What did we do in a previous cycle? Alright, so let's look at this. So from the top to the bottom, let's look here. 55.67% in how long? So I'm taking the peak here. Oh my goodness, not even 100 days. So the theory, okay, so this is for the A wave, right? Okay. So now the theory is the cycle broken, and we made a deeper correction and faster and shorter than before? You can see that it's wrong, because we did once again almost 56% down. We only are 52.25. We did that below 100 days. And now, I mean, we're very slow this cycle because we already did the double, and perhaps it's not even finished, or it's finished, but no matter, we've been twice slower than the previous cycle, which makes sense, right? Because there is more money, so more money makes things move slower. All right, so this is for that. Now I already did kind of a short analysis on where we are. So let me go on the 1 hour. Did something change since yesterday? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Okay, so we try to manage to break out from this downtrend, and now we're back in this range. So did something happen? Really? Not really. We managed to break out. If we would have gone higher, way higher, and then would have made a correction and maybe start to flip again to go to the upside, then yeah, something would have changed. But for the moment, nothing changed. The only thing we did is jeopardize the reliability of this 1-2, because now it did go a little bit too low. So I am about to cancel this potential 1-2, and to be fair, the scenario was that this is a 1 here, this was a 2, and this was internal 1-2 of the bigger third wave. So this would have been the third of the third wave, and perhaps we're not going to do that if we continue to go lower. So what's the worst case scenario? Well, if the price goes lower, then invalidation point, it's I don't know if it's that one exactly, but near here. So check here. So it's about 65,000. If we go below that, is the beginning of this allegedly beginning of wave 1. So it's going to validate discount. What's going to happen with that? Well, nothing major. This could have been just the A, this is the B, and we're doing a reset for this wave 2. We can go lower. We have the next two supports then are going to be 64,000 under 53 and 62,270. So those are the levels that we could look for price to find a support, and yeah, look for a reaction. Worst case scenario, seriously, I'm just grabbing anything. Worst case scenario, let me go on the 12 hours. What's going to happen? What can happen? Well, this wasn't the bottom of this fourth wave. We can go lower. And for that fourth wave of an A wave. And you can see that we can reach the 0.382. 56,472 would be another level where it can find support. Now, ideally, I would prefer if this A wave finish here and we're already, the low is behind us. So after that, it can make an ABC, an A, a B, and after that, yeah, 5-way up. Ideally, make a high B wave, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much I wanted to say for that. Can we make a new all-time high? Yes, because the previous cycle we did a slightly so it would be under 30,400 would be the 1.05 fib extension with a actually a retracement for the B wave, high B wave. In fact, if I go back here, well, I think I already erased it. So let's put it back just for fun. Seriously. Okay, so let me remove the others. All right, so we went a little bit higher, 1.05, 67. Okay, so if we do the same thing, under 30, 400 would be okay. Now, what do I believe? If I look at my crystal ball, well, I know perhaps the Crypto Clarity Act is going to pass by the end of the month, because I think the president of the United States did give a deadline 1st of March. I think they're going to agree on something. Don't remember the name. Yesterday it was saying something not perfect is it's better than nothing. So I don't know. No, it makes sense also. And then he was saying even if this law is not perfect, but then after that we can work on the law, but at least we can build up on this one. For the moment, it's true that we have nothing, and then crypto is stalling, and I would say we're all waiting for that. So I would say that if the clarity structure pass, crypto structure pass, then it's going to be the sparkle that we needed to start this skyrocketing movement, and maybe it's going to start and build up, and everybody's going to talk about the crypto, create FOMO, create momentum, and push the price way high. Actually, let's go and check it out. How fast did it go? So from the bottom to the top. Let me put it more on the right side. So we went 140%, almost 141% in exactly I'm going to put it here in the bottom so it's not going to mess up my things. So we did that exactly in 141 days. Pretty good. So this is about it that I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.